What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of the Nas analysis. So literally in this video we're just going to be talking about potential move, and we're going to be doing this on the 15-minute time frame. Now if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button on your way in. The content that I provide is you may find super useful, just depending on how you use it. Okay, so getting straight into it, we're going to be doing this analysis on the 15-minute, right? So on the 15-minute time frame is when we're going to be doing this, and at the moment we can see Nas is in an uptrend. So it's in an uptrend. It's been like that for a little while now. Okay, but I'm expecting, based on the analysis video that I did yesterday, which was on an hour in the daily, I'm expecting for price to start pushing down. Okay, but I need that confirmed before I do anything. Now, price being above this level is fantastic, because what it basically means for me, or how I'm basically reading it, is that price is going to pull down, and it's going to pull down to it's going to pull down by a fair bit. Okay, so it's going to pull down. Let me get rid of this little thingamajig, and let's see how low I think price can go down to. Okay, right. Okay, so this level over here, let's see, this is the one. Okay, so that's worst case scenario. When you actually zoom in like this on yeah, there it is. Okay, good thing I was able to drag the whole thing over. Right, so I think price is coming down to this level over here, this level right here, the one I just clicked on. Okay, and where this little price is, so that is 11037.96. that is further down. That is if it breaks this level, right? So getting back to what I think is going to be happening is, if I zoom in at this on, well, if I zoom in over here, right, if I just zoom in over here, we can see that we roughly got a double top up here, right? And this on a 15-minute. Now the 15-minute, using that to gauge actual direction of the market, it's not that reliable. We have to use it in conjunction of a number of things to try to get as accurate as possible. So in my opinion, right, I think price is going to start to break down very soon, and this is the level that I want to see price go below. So I want to see price go below this level, and at which point sells will make sense. Okay, right now it's a buy. So if you're thinking about buying, you can buy it to ride it up. I personally, I'm not doing anything, because if I was going to buy, I should have bought it a long time ago. So I've missed all of these moves, which is fine, it happens. But so what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting price to break this level over here. So that would be this level over here, 1277.554. If price breaks this level, then it's fair to say that we're heading all the way down to this price point. If I can remember where this thing is. Where did I put my little marker? Okay, didn't find that. Spare me a moment. Okay, here we are. So if price breaks this level over here, then I am expecting price to come as low as 11520.06. okay, it could actually just come down to this level over here also, but I don't think it's going to go that low. So it could come here, it could come to 12261.68, right? But I don't think it's going to come to this level. I think it's actually going to go to this one over here. It's going to go to this level over here. That's in my opinion. I could be right, I could be wrong. The market would obviously let us know if I am right or if I am wrong. So for the meantime, that is what my play would be. I'll be waiting for this level to break before I consider doing anything, or at the same time, price will continue to push up as it is doing, right? Either way, it is fine. We just look for the best opportunity to hop on. So guys, with that said, I want to thank you for coming over, giving me your precious time. I truly appreciate you. If you haven't done so at the beginning, but you found the content useful, obviously you just watched it, And yeah, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a like. All these 3 things are free. They will help the channel, especially if you got value of this video. All right. So with that said, this is Pips and Points signing out, and I will see you in the next video.